keep in mind that coolant is just as important as a blade when it comes to cutting efficiency and blade life. Today we're using the C-5200 semi-synthetic coolant, which is specially designed for bandsaws cutting chrome moly alloy steel. The C-5200 is a synthetic coolant, and like all cutting fluids used in bandsawing, it should be mixed with a 10-to-1 ratio with water for optimal performance. The C-5200 helps in several key ways. It lubricates the blade, reducing friction and heat. It keeps cuts clean and smooth, and most importantly, it extends blade life by preventing overheating and premature blade wear. I've seen this throughout the years I've been in this business. Using an inferior coolant will result in high blade cost and poor performance. The C-5200 ensures efficiency, longer blade life, and a cleaner cut.